Welcome back to my backyard snack yard on a beautiful end of April day here in Dorset, England. I just thought we'd take a second to have a little look at my blueberry bushes because they are looking amazing at the moment. I have two different cultivars here that I know of. I've got some pink lemonades, these ones here, which with really quite dainty small blossom. They're doing better than ever because I repotted them last year. And this year they're actually both, there's two plants, they're both in bloom with lots of really gorgeous little guys everywhere actually. How exciting. I'm just noticing them now, they're doing really well. These are really interesting blueberries because they're pink, of course, since they're called pink lemonade, and they really do taste a bit citrusy. They have like a citrus kick to them. Gorgeous little things. They need a pollination partner. At least they do better with a pollination partner. So I have them here alongside my regular blueberries. And I wonder if it's visible. The flowers on these ones are twice the size of the pink lemonade ones. I do think it's this particular cultivar, and I sadly don't know what it's called because I bought them from a supermarket maybe 15 years ago now. And they've just been living in pots ever since. I've got them in quite large pots. The largest one here is about, well, including the pot, because it's quite a deep pot, it's about 5'6". So really, really big. And I did do some pruning at one point, but it's growing more like a tree. And then you can see there's actually a new stem coming here, which is good. But even, I mean, it fruits on the old wood, it just fruits everywhere. I do tend to do a good clean out of it in the early spring, right before it breaks dormancy, because it breaks dormancy quite early. And I scrape out the top of the soil down here and replace it with new ericaceous compost. It needs acidic soil. And then I always give it a good feed. And I like to mulch them with pine cones because I love pine cones. And also because these plants cannot dry out. If they do, they really suffer. But the berries are just amazing, and once they all set, I cover them with really fine mesh so as not to hurt my birds. But I find that garden birds, if I don't cover bushes, garden birds come and they sit on the branches and pick all the unripe berries and just scatter them all across the patio. So just wasting, really. So I do tend to cover them, and that way we get lots of wonderful berries, and we can just pick them throughout the year. Well, throughout the months, really. They last for months and they slowly ripen for a few months anyhow. So lovely. And I really wanted just to show the difference in size, but I don't know how to go about doing that because they're not right next to each other. But I think later on, once the berries start setting, or once they start ripening, we can really compare them. But the flowers are noticeably a different size, which is so interesting. But it's so nice to see how well they're doing. How many flowers they have, it's amazing. They're such pretty things as well. So I think we'll have lots of blueberries this year. It's looking very promising. They really love a sunny spot, so you got to keep them moist, but still keep them in a sunny spot. And that's why they're right here on the patio. It's the best, sunniest position I have. And they're soaking up the sunshine. I find they're so hardy as well because even if we have like frosts and things, when they've started to break dormancy, they don't actually suffer, or at least they haven't done so yet. It could also be because they're in the protection of being near the house. So that could add a bit of protection to them, but wow, they're looking extra good this year. Really stunning. I have actually given them an extra feed. I have some special ericaceous feed for them, which I've given them an extra dosage of that, so maybe that's why they're looking so good. Or it could be the weather. But wow, they're doing so well. So excited. So hopefully very soon I'll have lots of beautiful blueberries and pink blueberries to show you. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.